Welcome back. Another day. Another busy day of doing some stuff. Yo, Kenzi. Hi, everybody, YouTube.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, Daddy.
Yo. My hair's all crazy. Gonna need a haircut. A real one soon. I've been cutting my hair myself. Not too bad. Yeah. We're gonna get this going. Just finishing up cleaning the engine. Got a little bit more to do. We did this side lately. There's some spots. Oh, gotta detail. Do more details later. Like these parts. I'm just doing a dry wash, wet wash right now. So yeah, stay tuned and hope you enjoy just chilling and cleaning the engine bay. Peace. We're not peaceful. Tune in. Bye. Welcome back. Whoever's watching.
Yeah.
Love you guys. Thank you
Yeah.
for watching. Alright. First we'll be using soapy water. Bump my head. Daddy bumped my head. I'm gonna bump. It's not that hard. Slightly. I'm gonna get a little sore on my head.
It's blue on the coin.
A blue on the coin?
Yeah, blue on the coin.
What?
Oh, it's blue.
It's yucky. Don't touch it. Leave it.
Look.
Coins are dirty. Okay? Okay. Ew. Alright. Gotta clean this clean.
You poopy, you poopy, you poopy.
Just wipe down. Wipe down.
Wipe down, poop.
Wipe down.
Wipe down.
Poop?
Wipe down.
Wipe it down.
Wipe down.
It's all dirty. Dirty. Shifting.
Go, Daddy. Go.
Ah. A deep cleaning. A deep cleaning. I need to paint the rear valve cover as well. I don't know. Yeah, probably paint it and then I'll probably put like a logo right here. Be nice. Maybe paint the what's it called too? Oh, bolts as well. I gotta paint the bolts too. Make it look nice. Details. More details. Scratched up. Should paint this as well. Paint everything. Cruise control assembly. I don't even think I have cruise control. Let's check the other night. Hey, what you guys doing? Stop it. You're gonna break my case. You hear me? Put your shoes on, Kyle. Soapy water. I scare you. I just found some ghetto rig wiring in my brake booster. Trying to figure out what that is. It's like some weird wiring. Right there. It's connected to my brake booster. Wonder what it does. I'm gonna go look it up real quick. See you guys later. Peace out. But clean it from the way.
Hey, stop hitting that. Daddy. What are you doing?
I'm gonna record, dude. For the video. On YouTube now. Okay? We're doing video now, okay? Okay. See you later, YouTube. Bye.
Bye, bye, YouTube.
Bye. How are you doing? Hi, everybody. Face. Thinking face. Daddy oi. Daddy oi. Daddy oi. How are you? Hello. Pretty here. Time to get ready to clean. Huh? More cleaning. Cleaning. Details. Get off of this thing. Run out! Run out! You going to listen?
Poopy car.
Poopy poop. Kenzi poop car. Stinky Kenzi car. Daddy cleaning Kenzi stinky car.
It's stinky car poopy.
Kenzi stinky. Poo poo. Stinks. Poo poo number 1. Kenzi stinky number 1. Number 1 stinky. I see you.
Daddy.
What are you doing in my pocket? My pocket. Stop messing in my pocket, please. Details. Detail. Okay? It's all about the details, okay, Kenzie? Can you say details? Say detail.
Daddy,
Detail.
Detail.
Detail. Detailing. Into the little crackers. Cracker. Polly want a cracker? Bad boy, how are you? Just doing a little detailing. Looking better than ever. Better than ever. Painted it black so you can't see as much good the dirt, but they need a repainting job when I pull the engine. Decent, not too bad. Needs more details. Details. I'm planning on moving the fuel rail. Probably gonna polish that or grind it down and see what I can do to make it sparkly, shiny. Gotta do these ports. Gotta do a lot. My project. Alright. You got a blister, bro. Let me see. See your mouth. You got a blister. Ow. Alright, just a little bit cleaning. Not doing much today. Getting her ready perfectly. I want to get it running 100% before I get it out on the road, registered and everything. It's nearly there. Got to do probably the shocks. Got to do the exhaust. Got to weld the exhaust together. It's not connected completely correctly. But yeah, I gotta redo the rims. They're shot right now. It's so dirty. Rusted. I'm gonna need to get the grinder wheel on that. Wire wheel, I mean. Get all that crap. Like hit it with the steel wool. Yeah. Project in process. Revival process. The revival process of the shadow stealth. Alright. Kids going crazy. See you guys later. Peace. Bye.